at the balcony because
Dad, 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 no,
uniform. Yeah, uniform.
Mom, all the way.
You saw crying baby this morning.
No, boo,
uniform.
On the ba? Yeah. No, ba, mom, mom.
I will buy blue uniform. Police, yeah.
Blue uniform. I'm gonna buy blue uniform tomorrow.
Blue uniform for Jessa.
Jess is gonna wear?
A two.
Jess is gonna wear?
A two.
No, school uniform. Gusto niya school uniform.
On the way?
School uniform.
On the way?
Where? How about shoes? What color shoes?
P.
Pink. It should be black. Socks. What color socks? To go with the black shoes. What color?
P.
Pink again. Wow.
Pink
White. You don't want white?
Siyempre, Lenny Robredo yan. Ano ba?
Pink.
Pink.
Pink. Doesn't color.
Oh, yawning ka na baga bababa. Sleepy?
Yeah, just sleep.
So sleepy again. There we go. Kasi punta kami sa Robinson. Kasi we're going to have dinner with Tita